Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Invoices application within KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Invoice app, he or she is displayed with the invoices that are yet to be billed by default. The YTB invoices are the ones that are raised through the project as a milestone and are yet to be billed to the customer. If the billing is completed, the status is changed from YTB to billed and the invoice is moved to the billed tab. In the bill section, if partial payment is being done by the customer, it can be updated here and the invoice is moved to partial payment or payment received tab based on whether the payment has been fully done or not. The user can also switch between card and list views and can also apply filters to retrieve invoices based on condition. The detailed tutorial for each of these categories will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching.